Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best 65% mechanical keyboards that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Lieutenant Colonel NB681 Nimbleback 65% mechanical keyboard. The Lieutenant Colonel NB681 Nimbleback 65% mechanical keyboard is very compact, but it provides a great and practical design utilizing 68 keys and appropriate arrow and control keys. It allows you to attach other devices through its 2 USB ports, with these ports also able to act as charging ports for cell phones and other devices. This keyboard also has dynamic RGB backlighting with 18 different preset backlight modes and 5 adjustable brightness and flowing speed levels. The Lieutenant Colonel NB681 65% mechanical keyboard also has excellent software technical support. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Kyron K6 65% compact wireless mechanical keyboard. The Kyron K6 65% compact wireless mechanical keyboard is both Mac and Windows compatible and has wireless and Bluetooth connectivity. It can connect with up to 3 devices via the Broadcom 5.1 chipset. It has a Gateron brown switch which is extremely responsive and has a very durable 50 million keystroke lifespan. Extra keycaps for both Windows and Mac are also included. The Kyron K6 65% compact wireless mechanical keyboard 4000 mAh battery is one of the largest batteries currently available for mechanical keyboards and can last up to 200 hours with the backlighting off. It has 2-level adjustable feet and an inclined bottom frame which allows for increased stability and ergonomic support. At number 3, we have the EPOMAKER SKYLOONG 65% mechanical keyboard. The EPOMAKER SKYLOONG 65% mechanical keyboard is a compact keyboard that includes 4 separate arrow keys. It includes 4 separate arrow keys and an IP6X dustproof mainboard. It also includes PBT sublimation keycaps that are both resistant to abrasions and oil-proof, which help avoid wearing of the keycaps and fading of the print. The EPOMAKER SKYLOONG 65% mechanical keyboard has a 16 million RGB backlight. In addition, the LEDs can be set to respond to music in rhythm mode. It also has a Win plus Mac layout and Type-C interface. At number 2, we have the Asus RajFalan wireless 65% mechanical keyboard. The Asus RajFalan wireless 65% mechanical keyboard incorporates both arrow and navigation keys in a smaller keyboard. It has an interactive touch panel that makes it easy to customize and adjust controls. It comes with dual-mode connectivity through either a wired USB port or through a wireless connection of 1 millisecond at 2.4 GHz RF. The Asus RajFalan wireless 65% mechanical keyboard also has long-lasting and durable Raj PBT double-shot keycaps and a keyboard cover case for increased durability and protection. And finally, at number 1, we have the EPOMAKER AKKO 3068. The EPOMAKER AKKO 3068 65% mechanical keyboard contains 68 keys and has RGB keyboard backlighting. It has PBT keycaps and a silent color scheme. It utilizes custom Gateron switches which are especially suitable for both gaming and for use in the office and at home. The Bluetooth 5.0 features have been upgraded and it can now pair with up to 3 different devices. The wireless connection prevents having to fuss with USB connecting cables, but there is a USB cable included if you wish to use a wired mechanical keyboard. The EPOMAKER AKKO 3068 65% mechanical keyboard has a retro gray-white color scheme and comes with extra replacement keycaps. The 1800 mAh large capacity built-in battery can last for up to 12 hours with full backlight on and 90 hours if the backlight is not used. The keyboard also comes equipped with an adjustable, Rubber non-slip mat which adds further stability and increased comfort while typing.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.